And just like last time, the earth, that there, it came out again. So I'm going to plug it in with nothing inside it and see if it works. Hopefully it won't clip it again for the third time, but it probably will, so yeah. Right then, so I'm back a few hours later with it hooked up to the speed controller over there. I've got the concrete weight back inside it, and I'm going to do what I did a few hours ago, where I turn it on inside the house and then it spins up, but instead I've got the speed controller set only to about halfway, so it won't be pumping as much volts into it at one go. I'm going to go plug it in at the wall inside the house, and let's see if we will get some more dancing action.
Feel good health catch on with Bupa, with up to 12 weeks free when you join direct.
That time I unplugged the machine myself because, as you could tell, it wasn't really doing anything. It didn't clip the electrics, and this time I'm going to up the voltage on that to hopefully get some more dancing, because I'm happy it didn't clip the electrics, but I wanted a bit more action, so yeah. Wow, that got very close to the camera. Right, so as you could have probably heard just then, the belt started slipping off. So I unplugged the machine to put it back on, and as I was putting it on, I noticed this. See that? The belt is split. I've just spun the drum around and it seems to be just fine, even with the split. So I'm gonna try and find it again. Yeah. So it's been nearly an hour since that last round, and I've just realised I forgot to do a post-round update. But basically, for the past hour, I've been messing about with that speed controller because it exploded, as you probably saw in the slow-mo. I got it back working, but it turns out there's a bigger problem. I can't really solve that easily. Yeah, the spider is done for. I've spent like the past hour messing about with the speed controller, obviously, and trying to get this drum somewhat free to do one last round, but I just can't get it to go. I've even removed the heater element because I forgot to do that before the destruction, but what, 3 to do one last round, but I just can't get it to go. I've even removed the heater element because I forgot to do that before the destruction, but it didn't really help. So